Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see max function and min function in Python function series. Max function in Python. What is an max function and why is it used? Max function finds the largest item among the given items. Let us discuss about the parameters. Max function holds n number of parameters. Max function also holds key in it. For example, max of var1, var, key equal to the operation which we want to do is placed inside the key. Return type for this function. Max function returns the largest item. Let us discuss this function with a simple program. In this program, we are getting an integer list from the user and it is stored in the variable called integer list, and we are printing the maximum value in the integer list using max function. Let's run our code. In this integer list, the maximum value is 345152. So it is printed as the output. Let us solve another program. In this program, we are getting a string list from the user and it is stored in the variable called string list, and we are printing the string having maximum length as the output, and we are using key here. Let's run our code. In this list, ABCD is the only string having maximum length, so it is printed as the output. Min function in Python. What is a min function and why is it used? Min function finds the smallest item among the given items. Now let us discuss the parameters. Min function holds n number of parameters. For example, min of val1, val2, val3, val4, key equal to operation. Here, key equal to operation is an optional one. Now, let us discuss the return type for this function. Main function returns the smallest item. Now, let us discuss this function with a small program. We are getting 3 integers as input from the user and finding the minimum value by using min function, and we are storing it in min value, and finally we are printing the min value. Let's execute our code. Among the 3 inputs, 2 is the smallest one, so 2 is printed as the output. Let's check for another program. In this program, we are using the concept of nested list and we are finding the minimum value in the first index of the list by using lambda function, and we are storing it in min val, and finally we are printing the min val. Let's execute our code. Here the minimum value in the first index of the list is B, which is having the shortest length. So it is printed as the output. Hope you guys understood this code. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.